Hi guys, it is Austin and I'm with another special YouTuber, Real Dragon Boy. Say hello, Lewis.
Hello.
So Lewis has got a channel now, haven't you?
Yeah.
And well, he likes it a lot, and yeah, we're gonna do a part 3 of Fly Happy Bird. I'm going first. Last time we weren't very good. Lewis couldn't fly first. That always happens. Lewis, here you go.
Thank you.
We were watching the part 2 for that, and we realised that you couldn't really tell who was playing. So we're going to say, here you go, Lewis, here you go, Austin, so you know who is playing.
I'm doing really good. Okay, no.
Oh, you do not want to rate this game. Okay, my go. I'm playing. What happened? Skip bad. That doesn't count because it's on my screen. So I'm playing again because my screen crashed. What did you do last time?
5. You got 4.
Thank you. So I've got some more fidget spinners. Lewis gets another go then.
Thank you.
Yeah. I've got some more fidget spinners. One lights up, one's blue, and it's got thing burning. The winner.
There you go. I'm so bad.
So I'm playing at the moment. Yeah, so go and check out Lewis's channel. Go and subscribe. I'll say again because I don't know what happened. There you go, Lewis.
Go and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
Like and comment down in my videos.
His name is Real Dragon Boy. And he's done 3 videos.
Yeah, but none of them are me talking.
Him playing random stuff.
Yeah.
One was Hawaii. One
That's
was
alright.
Angry Birds. Angry Birds. Lewis is doing much
Another
better.
one is the Elfie self.
Yeah.
Thing.
Is that an app?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know that. So I'm playing. I'm playing and I was flapping.
That doesn't count. Oh.
Oh, Lewis.
Sorry.
Okay, Lewis is back on. Oh, flapping. Flaps work. Oh, Lewis is dead. Mine don't. And this is going to be our last turn. And please go and subscribe to us, like one of his videos, comment down what you want to see from Lewis. And maybe I'll do it. Yeah, so that's going to be last. Lewis won 100% on this.
No,
So,
I have
yeah.
one more go. Remember.
Oh yeah, Lewis gets one more go. And then...
Just for luck.
So if Lewis beats 5, then...
I'm the winner.
Yeah, he wins. If he doesn't beat... Yes! I win. Austin wins, but Lewis pretty much won the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because how good he was doing. He got 7, I got 1. So, yeah. Don't forget to comment down, subscribe to my channel, and like at Lewis's. And don't forget Real Dragon Boy. Great thing. And I'll try and do another video on fidget spinners. Right, Lewis? And yeah.